Hi everyone, this is Jamil here, and today in this program, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to use YouTube applications on your cell phone. So if you have an Android phone and you have an Apple phone, you can download these applications in Android phone on Play Store and in Apple phone in the iStore. So once you will download these applications, I'm gonna share you all and complete the process how you can use it, how you can check it, and how you can utilize it. So please stay with me till the end of this video so you guys will able to enjoy the complete benefit of that video. So we start our program. For this purpose, just go on the Play Store as I have an Android phone, and in Google playlist just write YT Studio. Y stand for U and T for two, YouTube Studio. So you need to write in the Play Store YT Studio. So just click on it. I already installed, otherwise on the left side there is the download option. Just click on that button, and once it's installed, just go on that YouTube Studio. So once you click on it, that's a dashboard of that application. Here it will show you your name, how many subscribers you have it, and different statistics, analytics, watch time, views, subscriber, your estimated revenue, and many more things in it. So how you can use it here, see here are the dashboard, video, playlist, comments, and analytical. So you can see everything. If you want to see your video, each video will show you how much the views you have it, how much the comments you have it, how much the like or dislike you have it. And third is the playlist option. Here you also can see your playlist, and also on the comment section you also can see the comments. And in analytics you can see the statistics of last 48 hour, or you can see the watch time, or the views, average view, retention and duration, your estimated revenue, your subscribers, the watch time from subscriber, like, dislike, your top videos, everything. So here you can also go in the setting button, and here you can also change the setting if you want it. But the important and good thing I'm going to share you with you guys is once you will click on the YouTube Studio, here are some important things that you can see it is that you can check the performance of each video simultaneously at the same time. For example, this is the last video that I uploaded. Here you can also click on the view button. Here is showing you views and average duration and watch time. And also see on the bottom it's a comments option. So here simultaneously you can see all the video together. For example, here you have see the last video, and apart from it you can see the other video. Just click on this button, and here is showing you watch time, average duration, and the other ranking. So here you can also see all the video together, and their watch time and their views of each and every hours. For example, here you have the different video and you want to see it. For example, see on this video, see on the more button, it also showing you the graphical statistics options, how much the real-time view you have 48 hour, your watch time, your views of last 28 days, your estimated revenue, audience retention, like versus dislike, traffic source type, or many more things in it. So hope through this tutorial, this video, you will be easily able to use YT Studio applications. If you have any question and query, you can write in the comments box. I'll try my best to properly answer you guys. So till next video, please take care of yourself. Goodbye.